For Christmas cookies, I need room temperature butter, 250 grams, (125 grams powdered sugar, icing sugar or caster sugar), and cream together nicely. Vanilla extract goes in. We will need 1 egg, in a flour 375 grams, pinch of salt and quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Distribute nicely into the flour. And all at once and I've got nice, pliable, soft dough. What I will do, I will divide in two. One will go in a bowl. I will cover and it will go in the fridge, and this one we will roll straight away. And I will cut my cookies, biscuits with all sort of different shapes. I've got Christmas tree, some hearts, mushroom, stars, round shape, flour on a working surface, I roll quite thinly, 1-2 millimeters. They will bake more quicker and they will be more crumbly, crunchy. baking tray over here. Don't need to cover with baking paper because enough butter in our biscuit dough. Alright, let's start with the star. Must be like this. 1-2 millimeters. I would say 2 millimeters. All that scraps we will re-roll. I shaped biscuits, all different. Now they're going in the oven. My oven already preheated, 190 degrees Celsius. My biscuits been in the oven for 15 minutes and they are nice and crispy. They can go for 10 minutes and they will be pale, but we like this. Biscuits must cool down, and after we will test. Oh dear, there we go. On a purpose, I made lots of stars. All the stars I will put in a jar and it will be a gift to somebody. Looks beautiful. Can write message over here. Hot. Nice, crumbly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put like.